Did you know that muscle growth goes beyond just lifting weights? In ancient times, athletes and warriors recognized the importance of pushing their bodies to the limit. They engaged in strict training methods, not just for survival, but to also keep their muscles growing stronger. Today, we have a deeper understanding of the science behind muscle growth, revealing that muscle damage plays a huge role in this process. Do you know what is the science behind muscle damage? Every time we exercise, we are actively damaging our muscles. Think of it as tiny tears in the muscle fibers. Without these tears, muscle growth would be extremely difficult to achieve. When our muscles repair these tiny tears, they add more muscle fiber to close up those tear gaps. And after a while, they become stronger and bigger. This process is also known as muscle hypertrophy. So muscle damage is not a bad thing. It is actually a sign that your workout is effective. When you lift weights or perform resistance exercises, your muscles experience a lot of tension. This tension causes microscopic damage to the muscle fibers. But do not worry, your body is designed to handle this. Your body repairs the damaged fibers by fusing them, which increases the mass and strength of your muscles. This recovery process involves three key players, which are satellite cells, growth factors, and hormones. Satellite cells help repair and regenerate muscle tissue. When muscle fibers are damaged, these cells multiply and move to those tiny tear gaps. They fuse with the damaged fibers, helping to repair and rebuild them. This fusion process increases the size and number of muscle fibers. Growth factors, on the other hand, are proteins that stimulate muscle growth and repair. They basically tell satellite cells to do their job. Growth factors also promote protein synthesis, leading to further muscle repair and growth. Hormones also play a huge role in muscle growth. Hormones like testosterone give your muscles the last boost they need for the muscle repair process. The growth hormone also helps with repairing damaged muscle tissue. Both hormones are crucial for the muscle hypertrophy process. What are the different types of muscle damage? The two main types of muscle damage are eccentric and concentric. Eccentric damage happens when a muscle lengthens while under tension. This type of damage is typically experienced during the lowering phase of a movement. Eccentric damage is highly effective because they place a huge load on the muscle fibers, often greater than during concentric movements. This high load causes micro tears in the muscle fibers, triggering the repair process that leads to muscle growth. Additionally, eccentric training has been shown to make your muscles stronger and more flexible with each tear. Concentric damage, however, happens when a muscle shortens under tension. This type of damage is experienced during the lifting phase of a movement, such as when you lift a weight during a bicep curl or push-up from a squat. While they may not cause as much muscle damage as eccentric contractions, they still play a critical role in muscle development. Instead of building flexibility, concentric damage focuses more on building muscle power. Concentric movements focus on shortening the muscle fibers and are essential for performing explosive and high-intensity exercises, which are key components of many strength training programs. Both types of muscle damage will help you achieve impressive gains. By including a variety of both eccentric and concentric exercises in your routine, you can maximize your gains in no time. Now let's talk about the importance of rest days. Muscle growth does not happen in the gym, it happens during rest. So getting enough sleep and adding rest days into your routine is just as important as hitting the gym and keeping active. When you get those ZDCs, your body enters a state of repair and regeneration. During deep sleep stages, your body releases growth hormone, which is crucial for muscle repair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to make sure your muscles have enough time to recover and grow stronger. Rest days are just as important as workout days. On these days, your muscles repair themselves, grow stronger, and prepare for the next round of exercise. Without proper rest, your muscles do not have the chance to rebuild, leading to stagnation or even loss of muscle mass. Consider trying different types of recovery methods such as foam rolling, massage, or using compression garments. These methods can help reduce muscle stiffness and make you feel relaxed. What is the role of nutrition in muscle growth? Nutrition also plays a huge role in helping with muscle growth. Protein is the magic elixir for building muscles. After a workout, your muscles are primed to absorb tons of protein and start the repair process. Aim for high-quality protein sources like lean meats, eggs, dairy, and plant-based proteins. Consuming protein within the window of 30 minutes to 2 hours post-workout can even maximize your gains more. Carbohydrates are also crucial. Carbs replenish glycogen stores, which are depleted during intense workouts. Glycogen is the primary fuel source for high-intensity exercise, and depleting these stores can make you feel dizzy and fatigued. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of carbohydrates that provide sustained energy. Consuming carbohydrates post-workout helps restore the glycogen levels you lost and provides the energy needed for muscle repair. But also don't forget about healthy fats. They support hormone production and overall health. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, provide essential fatty acids that are necessary for hormone synthesis. These fats also have anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in recovery and reduce muscle soreness. Let's talk now of the power of progressive overload. Your muscles need to be continually challenged. This concept is known as progressive overload. Progressive overload involves gradually increasing the weight, intensity, or volume of your workouts. By consistently challenging your muscles with more than they are accustomed to, you force them to adapt and grow stronger. There are several ways to implement progressive overload. Increasing the weight you lift is the most simple method. For example, if you are currently lifting 10-pound dumbbells, you might move up to 12-pound dumbbells as you become stronger. Another approach is to increase the number of repetitions or sets you perform. You can also reduce the rest time between sets, which increases the intensity of your workout. Varying the types of exercises you perform is another effective strategy. Introducing new movements can challenge your muscles in different ways. Promoting further growth. For example, if you usually perform barbell squats, try adding lunges or leg presses to target your leg muscles from different angles. Additionally, manipulating the tempo of your exercises can be beneficial. Slowing down the eccentric or lowering phase of a movement increases time under tension, which enhances muscle growth. However, while progressive overload is crucial for muscle growth, avoiding overtraining is critical as it can lead to injury and hinder your progress. Overtraining occurs when you push your body too hard without allowing proper time for recovery. Pay close attention to how your muscles feel during and after your workouts. Experiencing some level of soreness, known as delayed onset muscle soreness, is normal, and it just means that your muscles are repairing and growing. However, if you notice excessive soreness, sharp pain, or extreme drowsiness, it might be a sign that you're pushing your body too hard. Muscle damage and growth are basically married to each other. By understanding their relationship, you can optimize your workouts and nutrition for maximum results. Remember, it's not just about lifting heavier weights, it's about listening to your body, fueling it properly, and allowing time for recovery. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.